I did a thing. I just bought a rusty old trailer for my next video project. I'm excited and I'm nervous. I don't have a whole lot of experience driving trailers, backing them up. So this is gonna be very new for me. And it's also gonna be the start of my very new project called Sauna Trailer. I'm gonna take a trailer and hopefully convert it into a sauna so that I can have steams deep in nature and then take cold plunges in lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. So it's January 9th, early in the morning. We're gonna head on over and pick up the trailer, and I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you kind of the first step, the acquisition of this thing. So without further ado, let's go. This is my new horse trailer. As you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. But with a little magic and a lot of hard work, we're gonna make miracles out of this thing. It's not much to look at now, but the guts are good. And eventually, this will be a sauna. I have a feeling that this movie is going to be very, very long. And because I have that feeling, I'm going to go ahead and make some timestamps and put them in the video description below. And that way, if you want to skip around to a specific spot, it'll be that much easier for you.
Now you get to see how his backup skills are. Wrong way, wrong way. Where is he going?
On the street and back all the way in.
Oh. Stop. Wrong way.
Yep. It's all wheel drive. Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's the same thing as for. Can he see out of there?
He has a little camera, yeah, but
Okay.
clearly not very good.
And you got to go slower. Go this way, this way. No, you're still not enough. You got to go forward a little bit and then bring it over. This is your last try, then I'm going to do it. Now cut it over this way. Slow, slow. Cut it more. 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 Now straight back. Whoa. Now wait a second. Now he and I think, can horse it on here.
Okay, he thinks that you guys can hoist it on here.
And pull. Fantastic. Now
this
pull
goes
like that, and then when you pull it, it's spring loaded.
Is it a really tough spring? Like, yeah. I shouldn't be touching it?
Oh, now you got to hold it though.
Yeah, just keep sliding off.
Yeah. There. Now let it go. See, now it's locked.
Woo!
Woo!
Nice.
Yeah?
Is he gonna paint it too?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
It kind of looks good behind the van.
I like it.
You know what I like best about it?
Huh.
Just behind your van.
And not behind your van?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that was super duper nerve-wracking, but I'd say for a first time backing up a trailer in a really tight space, I did pretty darn good. I'm a little bit bummed that this thing doesn't quite fit under the carport. As it's January, it's gonna rain a lot more, snow a lot in Washington, and so you know, I have enough rust on this baby. I don't really want any more. But that's what tarps are for.